what's good? It's your girl MRK in Paris from Clutch Your Closet, and today we are cleaning sneakers. These are the items you will need. Here they are right here. And let's check out my sneakers before we clean them. Ugh, look how dirty they are. Let's get started. So I like to add fragrance to my shoes before I clean them because it makes them smell good. Next, you're going to see me add some water to 2 bowls. And I'm adding it to the green bowl right now. This is the bowl that will hold the laundry detergent. I'm using Gain today, and I'm only using a cap full. I like to pour the water in the bowl first and then the laundry detergent next because it doesn't create too many excess bubbles. Next, you're going to see me take my toothbrush, swirl everything around. And now I'm taking my little magic eraser and I'm dipping it in the clean bowl of water and wringing out the excess water from the sponge. And you're going to see me clean the bottom of my shoe. So the sneakers that I have are the Karl Lagerfeld x Puma shoes. And they have this extra material. It's like a foam material. It helps you when you're walking. And it gets extremely dirty and scuffed. So I find that this magic eraser takes off all the scuffs. And although I have to put a little bit of muscle into it, it eventually comes off. So I'm just scrubbing. And it's gone. And so now I'm using the next product, which is my grandma secret sneaker cleaner. That is a magic weapon right here. Literally, you put on this product and the dirt falls directly off. And now it's time to go in with that handy toothbrush and that laundry detergent and just scrub. You can even scrub the top of the shoe, the mesh, whatever material it is. The toothbrush doesn't hurt anything, or the laundry detergent. I'm just going in. So now you see me going back in with the magic eraser and taking off any marks that were left behind. And that's pretty much it. And I'm on to shoe number 2, and I'm going to repeat the process. The toothbrush is there. I'm scrubbing. And cleaning. Still cleaning. And now I'm wiping everything clean. I'm taking off all the excess water, all the laundry detergent, and voila. Here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay clutch. And until next time, bye.